At Bravo Studio, our mission has always been to help people create compelling mobile experiences. Over the past year, the explosion of AI tools has dramatically changed what's possible, but it's also created a lot of noise. Approaches vary very widely, and the pace of change makes it hard to know where to focus. What we've noticed is a common pattern. Most platforms bolt AI onto their existing product. That solves some problems, but it misses a deeper opportunity. The real power of AI isn't adding it as a feature, it's inverting the relationship entirely. When your product lives inside the AI conversation, rather than the other way around, AI becomes the integrating thread that multiplies what you can build. The platform stops being a ceiling. That insight is what led us to build Bravo to Go. So what is Bravo to Go? Well, it's a service, not a platform. We take your existing design, or incomplete or broken app, and use the latest AI native thinking to set up a new mobile project and deliver a solid working first draft. We handle all the setup, so you can pick it up, take ownership, and continue building with whatever AI tool works best for you. Our current stack, our technology stack, is Expo React Native, GitHub for the code repository, Convex for database and backend, OneSignal for push notifications, and Stripe for payments. What we're transparent about is really the goal. This is a first draft, not a finished product. But it's a first draft you can run with, and that's exactly the point. Why not just use Lovable or Bravo Studio or another development tool? We genuinely believe there's no one-size-fits-all. For some projects or some users, building on a no-code platform introduces constraints that slow things down. Building directly with code stored in GitHub, with whichever AI tool that you prefer, gives you maximum flexibility and unlocks the full speed of AI-assisted development. It also means you can use existing AI subscription, which can cut the token cost by up to 10 times. So who is this for? Bravo to Go is for people who want to build a mobile app, have a design or existing platform to start from, and are comfortable learning a little along the way. You don't want to spend weeks figuring out the right tools or resting the setup. You just want to focus on making the upgrade. It's not really the right fit if you just want an app delivered without any involvement in the process. So if this is you, a mobile development agency is probably the better path. So how do I get started with Bravo to Go? Well, book a call with us, tell us about your building, and learn how the process works.